Hello folks, this is Don Cloud from Cloud Investments LLC with an educational update for September 2016. In this month's video, we'll discuss some of the major headlines that influenced markets in August and give you some insight into what they could mean for you as an investor. Please stay tuned at the end for a required disclosure statement. Markets rallied for much of August on better than expected earnings reports and some strong economic data. However, official statements showing that the Federal Reserve is moving closer to raising interest rates again give some investors pause. With the bulk of the corporate earnings season behind us, we have a pretty good picture of how the U.S. companies performed in the second quarter. Looking at the results from 483 of the S&P 500 members, we see that overall earnings are down 3.2% on revenue that are up by 0.1%. While lower profits aren't good, corporate managers did a good job managing expectations. Over 72% of those companies beat their earnings estimates, and just over half beat their expected revenue. The stock market treated most of this news as a win since traders had been surprised by the results. The Federal Reserve was also the source of a lot of market activity last month. Minutes from the July meeting of the Open Market Committee showed that the Fed economists are split in their opinions about the economy and interest rates. Fed hawks, those who want to raise rates soon, believe that the economy is strong enough to withstand higher rates as soon as September. Fed doves, economists who favor a more cautious approach, aren't convinced that a rate hike needs to happen quickly. They think that low inflation and global concerns mean the Fed should wait and see. We, and most of Wall Street analysts, don't believe that the Fed will raise rates in September. However, there's a reasonable chance that they might act in December. If the labor market continues to improve and economic growth looks solid, we could see higher rates before 2017. Speaking of economic growth, we got our second look at gross domestic product growth at the end of August. The first estimate, which showed growth of 1.2%, edged down to 1.1% in the second report. Why? Broadly, while consumer spending ramped up last quarter, business spending pulled back, leaving economic growth stuck in neutral. What this means is consumer spending, the largest factor in U.S. economic growth, kept the economy growing. Businesses took a look at their shrinking profits and closed up their wallets. Now, what can investors expect in the coming weeks? It's likely that we'll see more volatility and perhaps even a pullback as investors digest data ahead of the November election. The Federal Reserve votes on interest rates this month and will also add to the speculation. As always, we'll keep you informed. That's it for this month's Economic Educational Update. Here are some upcoming events that we'd like you to know about. Rejuvenate Your Retirement, held at UAH. This will be in two sessions, October 4th and 11th, and it will be from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Retirement Planning Today, held at Drake. This will be October 10th and 17th or 18th and 25th. This will be from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Retirement Planning Today, held at NWSCC, October 12th and 19th or the 13th and 20th, and this will also be from 5:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Once again, this is Don Cloud with Cloud Investments LLC, signing off for the month of September 2016. Please remember that nothing we talked about here is a recommendation. If you would like to discuss your personal financial situation, please give us a call at 256-715-0094. We'd be happy to talk to you.
While we believe the information in this report is reliable, we cannot guarantee its accuracy. Opinions expressed are subject to change without notice and are not intended as investment advice or a solicitation for the purchase or sale of any security. Please consult your financial professional before making any investment decision. Investment advisory services offered through Cloud Investments LLC, a registered investment advisor in the state of Alabama. Insurance products and services are offered through Cloud Financial Incorporated. Cloud Investments LLC and Cloud Financial Incorporated are affiliated companies.